I had a new stock pop up on my screener, so I wanted to share it with everyone. You can get real-time access to my trade notifications for only $1 for the first month. Join me in my Simple Option Trading community at discord.simpleoptiontrading.com. Stock symbol is OSTK, and this is for Overstock.com Incorporated. You can see that the market cap is $2.5 billion, and it has an average trading volume of 1.2 million shares. Now, if you're not familiar with Overstock, they're an online retailer located in the United States, specifically Midvale, Utah, and they were founded in 1997. So this company offers furniture, home decor, including area rugs, bedding and bath, home improvement, kitchen and dining items, and other related products. And they're doing this all online. So I like the online retailer space just because we've seen such a rapid growth since March of 2020 when this global pandemic started. More and more of us are shopping online and doing less shopping in brick and mortar type establishments. And so I think Overstock.com is well positioned to take advantage of this, not only today, but in the future. So I'm looking to see some growth out of this particular stock. Now let's take a look at a daily chart going back 1 year. Actually, it goes back to January of 2021. And we can see that this stock has had its shares of ups and downs throughout the year. And in particular, it started on this downward trend starting in mid-November. We can see that the stock had reached a price of around $110 per share. And then since that time, it's been dropping down and down. And what I've noticed is it looks like it might be leveling off, right? So it's got a major support line right around the $60 mark. The stock price is a little bit below, but we don't see it dropping further. We're actually seeing it level off. So I'm thinking this might be where the stock turns around. So this could be a rotation, and we could see retail sales, online sales going up now at the start of the new year. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this particular stock to see if this might be a buying opportunity. From the industry analysts, there's 5 industry analysts. They're giving this stock a strong buy recommendation, and they see the 1-year stock price as $110.25, giving this stock an upside potential of 87%, just over 87%. So I like that fact. So I'm considering selling a cash secure put because if my option gets exercised and I'm assigned the shares, well, I wouldn't mind owning the stock, number one. Number two, I think the stock price is going to go up. And thirdly, industry analysts also see this stock going up, and that's why they've given it a 1-year price target of $110. So if I hold on, if I'm assigned these shares, and I hold on to it for a year, now there's no guarantee what's going to happen, right? Could go up, could go down, but the analysts tend to think that it's going to be reaching over $100 per share, and that's why they gave it this strong buy recommendation. So, getting assigned these shares by from having my cash secure put option exercise is not a bad thing for me. I like the company. I want to own the stock. And so that's why I want to take a look at the possibility of selling a cash secure put using Overstock. So let's go ahead and take a look at the option chain. We can see the price is right around $59. So it's right at that major support line. Let's take a look at the option chain. Now I'm going to be selling a cash secure put. And I'm going to go, say, 2 weeks out. So I'm going to go January 14th as my expiration date. And let's look. 57 gives me a delta of 33. 56 gives me a delta of 28. So let's say we do the $57 strike price, which is currently paying $1.55 per share in premium. So what is that going to look like? Well, let's take a look at these numbers in my analyzer. So we're going to plug in Overstock symbol OSTK, and we are going to use the January 14th expiration date. And for the strike price, we're going to use $57. Let's go back and look at the change. $57, and that's currently paying $1.55 per share in premium. So let's plug that in, $1.55. So the current market price is $59.30, and with the January 14th expiration date, that would make the length of this option contract 11 days. So it's just shy of 2 weeks. 1.5, it's, between 1 and 2 weeks, so 1.5 weeks. Now with my $57 strike price, that means I'll need to reserve $5,700 as my collateral, and that's in case the option contract gets exercised and the shares get assigned to me. Now, if the shares do get assigned to me, I'm good with that, right? I want to own this company. I want to own these shares. And I'll pay $57 per share, which is a discount of $2.30 based off the current market price. So right away, that's a savings of 3.88%. Now, for selling this cash secure put option contract, when it gets filled, I would receive a total premium payment of $155, and that'll show up as a credit deposited immediately into my trading account. And that represents a profit of 2.72% based off of the amount I had reserved as my collateral, which is pretty good, right? So my goal is to get 1% per week for each week that the option contract is open. So for this 1.5 weeks, or basically almost 2 weeks, I'm going to be receiving 2.72%. So my goal at a minimum would be for a 2-week option to get 2%. But here's the case where it's just under 2-week duration, and I'll get 2.72%, almost 3%. So for me, this looks like a very attractive option trade. So I'll be looking to sell a cash secure put for stock symbol OSTK with a strike price of $57, and I'm going to see if I can get the $1.55 per share in premium, or maybe even a bit more. You can get near real-time notifications like this one by joining my Simple Option Trading community. And if you join today, it's only $1 for the first month. So don't wait, start the new year off right. Join me over at discord.simpleoptiontrading.com. There's one last thing before I end this video. Now, making profits and generating an income from option trading is a great thing, but keep in mind that all gains made from trading are considered income and are subject to applicable tax considerations. So every month, I save a portion of the profits that I earned in order to pay for my federal and state taxes. So please consult with your CPA, licensed financial advisor, and or tax preparer regarding the tax liabilities for your unique situation. If you're still watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I also want to wish you good luck and lots of success with all of your trades.